Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to tackle a new challenge, multiplying decimals. Don't worry, it's easier than it looks. We'll learn a simple two-step method that will make you a decimal multiplication pro in no time. And let's begin. First, let me introduce myself. I'm Bryce Chen from Veritas Collegiate Academy, Arlington campus. By the end of this lesson, you will know how to multiply a decimal number by a whole number. We will focus on a simple two-step method. First, multiply the numbers as if they were whole numbers in the correct place, the decimal point in the answer by counting the decimal places. Let's get started with some simple examples. Okay, let's start with a simple question. Multiplying a decimal by a whole number is the same as repeated addition. For example, 0.5 times 2 is just adding 0.5 for 2 times, which equals 1. Similarly, 0.2 times 3 is adding 0.2 3 times, which equals 0.6. Remember our two-step method for multiplying decimals. First, ignore the decimal point and multiply the numbers as if they were whole numbers. Second, count the total number of digits after the decimal point in the original problem. And finally, place the decimal point in your answer by counting that many digits from the right. And let's apply this to 0.3 times 4. We get 3 times 4 equals 12, so the answer is 1.2. Now for the advanced part. We can use the standard column method for multiplication. The key difference here is that we align the rightmost digits, the ones place, not the decimal point. And let's try 1.2 times 3, and we'll write it down. Multiply 3 by 2 to get 6, right? And then 3 by 1 to get 3, and this gives us 36. Since there's one digit after the decimal in the original problem, and we place the decimal one digit from the right in our answer, giving us 3.6. Let's try a slightly harder one. 0.25 times 3. Step 1. Multiply 25 by 3 to get 75. Step 2. Now count the decimal places in 0.25, and there are 2. So we need to place the decimal point 2 places from the right in 75. And we need to add a placeholder 0 to make this possible, resulting in 0.75. Well done, everybody. You're now a multiplication pro. And in this lesson, you know how to multiply a decimal with a whole number. Great job, everyone. See you next time.